Hey everyone! If you're tired of overcrowded freelance markets and want to jump into gigs with low competition but high demand in 2025, you're in the right place. Let's dive into 5 trending gigs you can start today to get ahead of the curve. 1. AI Prompt Engineer. First up is AI prompt engineering. As AI tools explode in popularity, businesses need experts to craft clear, effective prompts for chatbots, content generation, and customer support. It's still a new field, meaning fewer freelancers, but tons of clients who don't know how to get the best out of AI. Learn prompt design, experiment with ChatGPT or Claude, and market your services on Upwork or Fiverr. 2. Short-form video script writing. Next is short-form video script writing for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Brands want to go viral, but struggle to write snappy, hook-filled scripts. Competition here is surprisingly low, and companies pay well for scripts under 60 seconds. Niche down. Focus on industries like fitness, beauty, or tech for faster results. Third on the list, digital product mock-up design. With more coaches and creators selling ebooks, courses, and templates, they need professional mock-ups to showcase products on their websites and sales pages. This niche has low competition and is perfect for beginner designers with Canva or Photoshop skills. Average price per mock-up set, $50 to $200. At number 4, we have website accessibility auditing. New regulations in 2025 are pushing companies to make their sites accessible to everyone, including people with disabilities. But very few freelancers know how to run these audits. You can learn tools like Wave or Axe, offer audits, and suggest fixes. Bonus tip overlay. Position yourself as an accessibility expert. Businesses will pay premium rates. 5. And finally, AI voiceover localization. More businesses are creating content in multiple languages using AI voices, but they still need freelancers to adjust scripts for cultural nuances and ensure natural phrasing. Demand is rising globally, but the number of freelancers offering this is still low. That wraps up 5 low-competition gigs to skyrocket your freelancing career in 2025. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to succeed online.